Okay, now on to dessert this week. It's a bit of a build your own and cook it dessert, but pretty simple. So we have got, it's a raw crumble mixture at the moment, so butter and flour and almonds. We've got some custard. And then for the filling of the crumble, we've got some rhubarb and chuckleberry.
What's chuckleberry, Josh?
Yeah, it's a funny berry.
And they are a cross between, I can remember, there's a gooseberry and a blackcurrant, and there's something else, I can't remember what the other thing is.
They're very dark. With blackcurrant, I thought there was some sort of berry in there, rather than a gooseberry. A lighter berry, crossed with, like a blackberry. Or is it definitely just a blackcurrant?
They've got the currants, haven't they? But I think it is a different. Anyway, Google it. Find out what is a chuckleberry.
We'll tell you. We'll Google it for the sheet. We'll find out. So, berry and rhubarb in the bottom. So obviously you want to have some nice oven-proof dishes like these ones. You could do, well, however many people there are, you could do it as a bigger one and split it that way. I'm going to do individual ones and then serve the custard on the side, I think. Okay, so in the oven, 180, guessing about 15 minutes to cook the top and get the bottom bubbling. In we go. So custard in the pan. Remember, the last thing we want to do is bring it to the boil. We just want to gently heat it. Okay, so custard, steaming but not quite bubbling, just hot enough. And these guys have had exactly 12 minutes. Bubbling around the side, golden brown on top. I think is about what we want. Let's be careful if you're doing it this way because that's going to be hot. Now what you could do is put the gravy, I'm calling it, but the custard in a jug on the side for people to share. Depends on how many people you are and exactly what you're doing. Or, like us, I'm just going to try and keep it on one side. So for the picture, we get a nice bit of difference, just a little bit in there. So, there's not enough room in the thing, that's the only reason. You can top up in a minute.